Hi everyone, today we're gonna take a tour in the garden to see what we can use for free to do some beautiful magic. So here we go. Now, first up is a brick. So if you have some left, you can use them to do some brick powder. Then here we have some flower, a beautiful feather, some buttercup. Let's see. In here we have some clubs. Let's keep walking. See another feather. Some tomato plants with a flower. I think I can see her. Okay, there's the flowers. There's the tomato. So we have some leaves. We have some beautiful rose. In here we have some moss. Let's keep walking. In here we have something that's kind of like some wheat. Not sure what it is though. Let's continue. Okay, on the other side we have some borage. Don't know if you can see it. Let's continue. In here we have, okay, some wood chip that can be useful. Oh, and there's some too that you can use. There's rock, of course, some of the rock. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what we can do with this small find. So here we go. Now I'm back inside. So I'm gonna show you what some things you can do with them. So first of all, like there's leaf, so you can use in Magick or in your altar. Then there's the feather. The feather, you can use it as a bookmark for your book of shadow. You can just put it there or put a beautiful something to make it, you know, to make it to keep it there, sorry. Or you can put simply on your altar. Then rock, of course. And if you know what this is and you can go to the beach, this is some sand dollars. So you can use them with some incense stick, as you can see. Okay. If you want, you can use some beautiful shells like we did once for runes, or you can use them as ball offerings. Sorry, you can use them as ball offerings, as you can see. If you don't have some glass, you can use some beautiful shot glass. If you have the chance to find some branch like this or like this, you can do so many things, like some kind of runes like that. Or like me, you can use it to hold your plant. And this is what of some of the things that you can do. Hope that this gives you some ideas. Thank you.